back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I am going to make coffee. I'm going to make coffee, well, 4 different times in this video because I need to show you 4 different flavors of new coffee that I got that is also packed full of protein. Let's get started. First thing I want to do is show you this amazing product. We have got original French vanilla, mocha, and caramel. These coffees are powder coffee, instant coffee. These will be great when we go camping because I won't have to worry about, well, taking a bunch of extra stuff. I can just take this bag of Javvy and the cold water or milk that I need to make it. They're full of prebiotics, naturally derived product, and there's 10 grams of protein per scoop. That's a serving. 0 grams of sugar. Low carb. If you're in a calorie deficit or a low carb diet, then this is perfect for your morning coffee routine. Now we just got to test it out and see, does it live up to the hype? Is it as good as what so many people have said? Besides the coffee itself, I need 8 ounces of cold milk, or I could use water. I'm going to use milk today, and I think I'm going to start with the mocha. First step is to add my 8 ounces of milk to my cup, and I am using oat milk. You could use whichever milk you prefer. There is a scoop in the bag, and each bag has 20 scoops in it, so this can last you for quite a while. So I am getting a scoop out here. There it is. It smells really good. And in case you forget, the directions are conveniently located right on the back of the packet. Now I'm going to mix this in. And there are also so many recipes you can try with this, and I do plan to do some of those as well. Those will be in a different video. I think that looks a lot better. Now I don't have a whole bunch of lumps in it. Definitely don't want lumps. So I'm going to recommend you probably are going to want a whisk. If you have a little personal blender, you would probably be able to use that as well. Here we go. That is actually really good. I am impressed. I'm not usually an instant coffee fan. This has an amazing mocha flavor. It's not chalky at all, and you kind of would have thought it would be. I did get all the lumps out. It doesn't taste like a health drink per se. It's really good. I think it's really good. Now I'm excited to try the other. Good morning. It is day 2 and it is time to try another Javvy coffee flavor, one of the protein coffees. And today I'm going to do original, and I'm going to try it with the 8 ounces of cold water. And this water is very cold because it's been sitting in the refrigerator. We have one of those filter pitcher things, so it stays cold. Colder than tap. And I'm going to try with 1 scoop and see how this original one tastes. I'm going to start by adding my cold water to my mug, then 1 scoop of the original coffee flavor. I'm going to stir this a little with the spoon first and whisk a little. Nice, I like the froth. Okay, now to taste it. This one I think would be good if you had your own little syrups to add to it. I mean, it's original, so it's just plain. There's no, it has a flavor, but it's It's just a coffee flavor. So if you don't like that, if you want, it would be really good to add some syrups too. It's not bad. It's not gritty at all. I could definitely drink it. I think this one would be really good to use in some recipes maybe, so that it can add a little more flavor to it. It's basically, to me, it just tastes like coffee with maybe like half and half added. There's no specific flavor to it. It's just kind of a creamy coffee. It's not as good, in my opinion, as the mocha, but I like flavors in my coffees most of the time because I use flavored creamers. So, but it's not bad. And honestly, I'm not sure that there's much difference between using cold water or milk. I think they both taste pretty good either way, which is really nice because you don't always have milk handy, I would say. I don't. And good morning. We are going to be on round 3 today. And today I'm going to do the French vanilla. Just add my 8 ounces of very cold water to my glass. Got a scoop of the vanilla. Whisk it. Then, since these are instant iced coffees, I'm adding the ice. And then on top of that, I'm going to add a little strawberry topping. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Getting a little hint of that strawberry. Probably should have kept my spoon out. That stirred that in a little bit. It's good with that strawberry. Now the flavor of the French vanilla, I kind of get the vanilla, but I feel like it tastes a lot more like the original that I tried yesterday. It's pretty light vanilla flavor, I feel like. I think the mocha had a much stronger mocha flavor. I really hope the caramel has a really strong caramel flavor. Well, good afternoon. Or good noon. It's right at noon. I decided today I was going to try my final one for lunch, and I'm going to do it in a blender bottle so that I'm basically just having me a little protein shake for lunch. So today I'm actually using coconut milk because coconut and caramel go very well together. I am so excited to try the caramel. It smells delicious. It smells so caramely. My scoop. So I did 8 ounces of coconut milk. Just gonna put my lid on. Snap it down because I don't want it spewing out. Get it kind of mixed up and then shake the heck out of it. That actually mixed up very well. I know you probably can't see, but there is no lumps. It mixed up great. And I didn't shake it very long. Now, gotta taste it. It smells good. I like the caramel. I like the caramel a lot. Okay, so my favorites was the caramel and the mocha. The original and the French vanilla were okay. They wouldn't be my first choices, but they will be great, I think, in some recipes. In the description below, I will have a link where you can go over and check out all of the Javvy products, especially these protein coffees. And I have a coupon code down there so that you can use that and get some % off, save a little money on your first order. If you do decide to buy it, or if you've already tried Javvy coffee, leave me a comment below the video because I would like to know what you think of it, or I would just like to know if you decide to buy it. I hope you enjoyed my little taste test, and I hope you hang around for more Javvy coffee recipes and a ton of other recipes because that's what I do on this channel. I cook. Thanks so much for watching. Happy drinking.